Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You open Zomato and go straight to orders because that's where the authoritative record lives. Once signed in, tap orders and scan the list for the meal placed at the relevant time. Use the order ID if you saved it. This first step surfaces the exact transaction. Make sure to select the precise order entry rather than a similar past purchase, because that record contains status flags and timestamps needed for confirming cancellation status and initiating any follow-up actions. You now open the order details to see the full timeline and status because the summary won't show why it changed. Scroll through the activity log, look for a canceled label who canceled restaurant or you and the exact timestamp. Read the cancellation reason and any automated notes. These explain refunds or next steps. If the status is refund pending, note the expected timeframe. This step gives you the how and why behind the cancellation, so you know what to expect. You finish by confirming the refund status and taking action if things don't match. First, check your payment method for refund notices and expected timelines. Refunds often show in 3-7 business days. If the order page shows incorrect status or no refund, use Help Order Issue to file a claim and attach the screenshot you took. If support responds slowly, reply with order ID and timestamp. Troubleshooting tip: if the app shows cached info, force close and reopen or clear cache before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.